This is Nana, and Nana's really cute, and she's also destroying my lawn. We moved into this house a year ago, and the yard was fine then, but ever since, it has gotten just completely torn up. Every time the dogs go out to play or the kids go out to play, it just turns into this muddy place. Like all the roots are torn up, and so we've got to fix this. This is the year of the new lawn. So I started by going down to Northwest Seed and Pet to talk to my buddy Bob, and just showed him the videos, kind of the photos of the grass, and he goes, hey, you're in a worse position than you thought. The reason being, different grass types have different strengths and weaknesses, right? So Kentucky bluegrass is kind of a great all-around solution. But then there's like fescue, which is great for high traffic areas, but doesn't do very well in the shade. And then there's ryegrass, which does great in the shade, but really doesn't like traffic. This particular spot is in deep shade and has high traffic all the time. So he suggested that we just need to tear it out. We need to get in some good sod that's going to be strong enough to hold up to the high traffic. But he had some great information about preparing the property for new sod.
From what I saw with the pictures that you showed me, first of all, you're going to have to isolate your dogs to an enclosed area where they can't get into that area. Again, preparation is key. A lot of people go in and try to overseed and don't want to do the preparation as far as getting rid of that old existing sod. If you've got an old sod and you want to just create a nice perfect lawn, you're probably going to have to go in and cut out the sod, get it back down to dirt, do the work to prepare that. Yeah, now would be the time you go out and you start raking up that soil, start loosening it up. And depending on what the condition is, you may be able just to go in and smooth it out enough to where you feel good about it, seed it, put down some fertilizer, good starter fertilizer with it, top dress it or not this time of year, and get some grass growing.
So it looks like the first stage of this project is going to be to tear out the existing sod and prepare the dirt for new sod. We need to get it down to the dirt, we need to get it level and even, and then probably mix in some soil additives just to make sure that we're ready to get some good root growth on the new lawn. So that'll be part 2. Stay tuned.